So write the question or the question material as it is in the first two columns. Always write the question material as it is in the first two columns. Then the next column you will calculate according to the formula or according to our requirement. So our first requirement is direct method. The formula for finding direct method is summation fx divided by summation f. This one, summation fx divided by summation f. So for this formula we have to find x, and this question only f is given, x is not given. So first we will find x, which is called midpoint, and for the second formula we need a plus summation f d divided by summation f for shortcut method formula. So for this formula we need d. So for first formula we have to find x, for second formula we have to find d. That's why I am calculating here these number in the first column x is the midpoint, and the next column I will calculate d for shortcut method. So according how to find midpoint is also called class mark. So how to find midpoint or class mark? Always add up the two number. So first add 0 plus 10 divided by 2, we will get 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. 30 plus 20 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35, and so on and so forth. So just add up these two numbers, divide by 2, add up these two numbers, divide by 2. When we will add up these two numbers and divide by 2, when class limits or class boundaries are given, then for finding x we will proceed this way. For class limits and class boundary, when in question class limits are given in the question or class boundaries are given in the question, and we have to find x, then always we will proceed this way. So just add up the two number, divide by 2, add up these two number and divide by 2, add up these two number and divide by 2. So these brown number are the value of x after add and divide by 2. So x number is 5, 15, 25, 35 and so on. Now for the direct method formula we have to find summation fx. So first find f multiply x. So this is f and x. So 5 times 5 is 25, 12 times 15 is 180, 15 times 25 is 375, so on and so forth. Just multiply f with x. So these are the number of fx, the product of fx. Now for the shortcut method or indirect method, the formula is a plus summation fd divided by summation f. So for fd, for this fd, first we have to find d. So how to find d? D mean x minus a. D mean x minus a. So first assume this a always from this a we will always assume from x values, any value from x. So let's suppose 35 is a. This 35 I can consider as a or assume value. Now subtract this 35 from each value of x. So 5 minus 35 is minus 30, 15 minus 35 is minus 20, 25 minus 35 is minus 10, 35 minus 35 is 0, 45 minus 35 is 10, 55 minus 35 is 20, 65 minus 35 is 30. Okay? X minus 35. So these are the x in 5 minus 35, 15 minus 35, 25 minus 35. So in this way we will get these number. These are deviation or the d value. But we have to find fd for the formula. So first multiply this f with d. So 5 multiply with negative 30 is negative 150. 12 multiply with negative 20 is negative 240. 15 multiply negative 10 is negative 150. 0 multiply any number is 0, and this way we will get this product of fd. Now for the formula, replace these number according to the formula. Now direct method formula is x bar is equal to summation fx divided by summation f. So fx total, this is the fx total, this one. Fx total is this one, and fd total is this one, and this one, the yellows are the total. Okay, so we will replace these totals in the formula. So the fx total is 2110 and f total is 70. divide both the number, we will get 30.4. Cut method or indirect method. First, write the formula x bar is equal to a plus summation fd divided by summation f. Now, what is the a assumed value? 35. 35 is the assumed value here. So write assumed value 35 and fd total is negative 340 and f total is 70. So first divide the two number, then subtract from 35. We will get mean equal to 30.14. So the direct method and the indirect method both will give same answer for the same question. It's the property of arithmetic mean, it will always give same answer. So the next question now, calculate for the below data, calculate arithmetic mean by shortcut method and direct method, where d is equal to x minus 20.5. It is given in the question now. This is a different type of question now. For the below data, calculate arithmetic mean by shortcut method and by direct method. And d is also given. Here in the question now d is given. D is equal to x negative 20.5. So what does this term 20.5? This is a. X minus, because d is equal to x minus a. So this is the value of a, 20.5. Keep in mind this will be the value of a. Okay. Now d and f is given. What is the formula of shortcut method? The formula of shortcut method is x bar equal a plus this one. Shortcut a plus summation fd divided by summation f. So according to this formula, we have to multiply f with d. F and d both are given in the question, so that's why we no need to proceed further columns for this one. Just multiply the two columns. And for direct method, formula is f multiply x. So first we have to find x. For finding direct method mean answer, for finding the direct method answer, we have to find x. Although f is given in the question, but x is not given. So here we have to find x, then we will multiply f with x. So look, now look this one. F and D is given in the question. So write this question as it is in the first two columns. Now the formula for shortcut method, is summation FD. So summation FD means F multiply D. So just multiply F with D. So 8 multiply negative 20 is negative 160, 13 multiply negative 10 is negative 130, 0 multiply any number is 0, 7 multiply 10 is 70, 5 multiplied 20 is 100, and so on. Now summation FD means total of FD. So total of FD is negative 60. Now for direct method, we have to find formula of direct method is summation Fx. The formula for direct method is summation Fx divided by summation F. So first find x. How to find x when D is given in the question? Here is D given in the question. So how to find this x? Mathematically solve this one. This negative 20.5, when we change to other side, to left side, this will become plus. So this will become D plus 20.5. When you change this number to the D side, so this negative 20.5 will become plus 20.5 with D. So dx is equal to D plus 20.5. This we can get from this number. Just change this one mathematically, you will get x. X is equal to D plus 20.5. What does this mean? This means add up 20.5 with each number of D. So these are the number of D. Add up 20.5 with each this number. You will get x. So negative 20 plus 20.5 is 0.5. Negative 10 plus 20.5 is 10.5. 0 plus 20.5 is 20.5. 10 plus 20.5 is 30.5. 20 plus 20.5 is 30.5. 20 plus 20.5 is 40.5. 30 plus 20.5 is 50.5. Now these are the value of x. Now according to the formula is f multiplied with x. So this is x and this one is f. So 8 multiplied 0.5 is 4. 13 multiply 10.5 is 136.5. 18 multiply 20.5 is 369. 7 multiply 30.5 is 213.5. 5 multiply this number and 2 multiply this number, we will get the product one. So f of x total. Now according to the formula, mean is equal to summation fx divided by summation f. So fx total, which is 1026.5, and the f total, which is 53. Now divide both the total, we will get the mean. So according to this one, mean is 19.37, and the previous one is also mean is 19.37. The mean of shortcut method and the direct method are same, so it's mean our calculation is true. Now next question. The next question is, given that u is equal to x minus 87 divide 5, find arithmetic mean by using method of step deviation and direct method. So this is also the different type of question. Now in this question u is given, in the previous question d was given, and this question f, the previous question f and d was given, and this question u and f is given, and the previous question here was d given, and this question u is given. U is equal to x minus 87 by 5 divided by 5. So find mean by step deviation method and direct method. So first of all, write this number in the first two column as it is. Question material write as it is in the first two column, and the rest of column we will calculate according to our requirement of the formula. So first, it is given that u is equal to x minus 87 over 5. It is given in the question here. Compare with, so compare this given information with u is equal to x minus a over h, because we know u is equal to x minus a over h. This is the formula of u for step deviation or coding method. Now compare these two. Here is x minus a, here is x minus 87. So a is equal to 87. The divide term is h. Here the divide term is 5. So h is 5. So a is equal to 87 and h is equal to 5. Now for direct method we need x. Okay. And this question it is given only u and f is given only, but for finding the direct method, for direct method we need x. Why we need x? Because summation fx divided by summation f is the formula for direct method. So how we will multiply f with x? If we have the x column, then we will multiply this x column with f, but in the question x column is not given, u and f columns are given. So first we have to find x column for direct method, then we will multiply this x column with f, we will get fx. So how to get x column? We will use this way. This is the other formula for step deviation method, where if you have to find x and step deviation method, x is equal to h multiply u plus a. How you will get this? You can get this one from this. Just h is the divide term, you multiply with cross multiply this. H multiply cross, you will get this will become hu. So this is hu. Now this minus a and this minus a you change to u side, to left side. This will become plus a. So it become plus a and you will get x. So mathematically when you solve this one, you will get this x is equal to hu plus a. So x equal, because h is 5, so 5u, and a is 87, so 87. So how to find x? We will use this way. X equal to 5u plus 87. It's mean multiply each number of u with 5. Each number of u, this one, multiply with 5 and then add up 87, we will get x. So first we have to find step deviation method formula. So according to the formula, what is the formula for step deviation? The formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation f u multiply summation f divide summation f multiply h. So according to the formula, first we have to find f u. So fu mean f multiply with u. So 1 multiply with -3 is -3, 6 multiply with -2 is -12, 17 multiply with -1 is -17, 0 multiply any number is 0, 20 multiply 1 is 20, 17 multiply 2 is 34, 13 multiply 3 is 39, so on and so forth. Now these are the value of fu. Now for the direct method, this one is direct method requirement. We have to fulfill the requirement of direct method. The direct method requirement is summation fx divided by summation f. So first find x, then multiply the value of x with f. So look, these these two column is used for direct method. This one column is used for step deviation method. I have mentioned here. Now how to find x? I already make it clear here how to find x. So it's mean multiply 5 with each number of u and add up with 87. How you will get this one? This is the formula. Okay, keep in mind x is equal to h u plus a. H is 5, so write here 5u, and a is 87. So x is equal to 5u plus 87. So first multiply 5 with u, then 87 you have to add up. So 5 times u is 5 times -3 is -15. -15 plus 87 is 72. You can use calculator. With calculator, write this one. Write with in calculator 5 bracket open u bracket close and plus 87. Now inside bracket just replace the value of u. So just replace the -3 inside bracket, then replace -2 inside bracket, then replace -1 inside bracket, then you will get this number. So now 5 multiply 0 is 0. 0 plus 87 is 87. 5 multiply 1 is 5. 5 plus 87 is 92. 5 multiply 3 is 15. 15 plus 87 is 102. And this way we will get the value of x. Now this is the x column. Now according to our formula for direct method, we have to find summation fx. So f multiply with x. So f multiply with x. 1 multiply 72 is 72. 6 multiply 77 is 462. 17 multiply 82 is 1394. 29 multiply 87 is 2523, and so on. So these number one by one you multiply with x, you will get this fx product. Now replace these total. Now this yellow is the total. This yellow total is the fx, summation fx total. This one is summation fu total, and this yellow is summation fx total. So these are the total we need for the formula. Now here, step deviation method formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation fu divided by summation f multiply h. So a is assumed value, which is here a is 87. It is also given in the question x minus 87 x minus a. This is a. A is 87 and the divide term is 5. 5 is h. So replace here a 87. Fu total, this is the Fu total, 149 is the Fu total, and the F total is 122, and multiply H, which is 5. And here in this formula, summation Fx total is 11359, and the F total is 122. Now divide these two, and here you have to multiply and divide, then add up 87, you will get the same answer. Mean by step deviation method is 93.11 and mean of direct method is 93.11. Both answer are same. It's mean our calculation is true.